How to solve the problem unable to connect in Multipoint Manager will allow us not be able to control other servers in the system. It will show a yellow warning indicating unable to connect to that server. After pressing reconnect, it still cannot connect. The solution is that the first thing is to look at the IP address first. If the machine has a problem, what IP address is used from the example? The IP address will be this one. Then go to the program Remote Desktop Connection. Make a remote to the problematic server. After the remote has gone, you can log in with username as administrator. Then you can access any internet website, for example, YouTube. Open the video. Finished and come back to the Multipoint Manager program. Press reconnect again, and the status will change to connect. Once the status is connect in Multipoint Dashboard program, we will be able to see the client connected to that server normally. Thank you.